Today I am showing you something very unusual, a homemade shaving paste made from tomato, onion and toothpaste. Sounds crazy, right? But wait until you see how it works in this video. Here we go. The first ingredient for this paste is a Colgate toothpaste. However, you can use any other paste you have at home. Measure 1 full tablespoon of toothpaste and put it in a bowl. The second ingredient is from your kitchen. Grab an onion and remove the outer skin of the onion. After removing the outer skin, find a way to make a paste from the onion. In my case, I am using a grater to grate the onion to make a paste. You can use any other means to make a paste from an onion, depending on what you have at home or what you think is easy to you. After making a paste from the onion, we need to obtain a juice. I am using a strainer to strain the paste to make a juice. The straining is done in 2 stages to make sure that every particle is removed in the onion juice. The first strainer has bigger holes, and in the second stage, the strainer has smaller holes to remove all the smaller particles in the onion juice. And now the last ingredient, tomato in your kitchen. Cut into half and use a grater to grate a tomato. You can also use any other means to make a tomato paste. After making a tomato paste, strain to make a tomato juice. The straining is also done in 2 stages, just like we did when we were preparing the second ingredient. Tomato is packed with natural acids and antioxidants that helps soften the hair and soothe the skin. It is also great for reducing irritation and redness, a common problem after shaving for most skin types. And now the final stage of preparation of this paste. Add 1 full tablespoon of tomato juice into toothpaste. Add 1 full tablespoon of onion juice into toothpaste and mix until you see a uniform color. In few seconds, you will be watching how this paste works magical. Something you probably have never imagined. That's why you will never shave the same again after watching this. A painless removal of your hair with a homemade paste. Now let's watch the magic happen. Apply a thick layer of this paste on your skin. Spread it evenly and wait for 5 minutes. You can moisturize if it gets dry. Between 5 and 7 minutes, your hair is ready for removal. Use a wet cloth, just wipe away and rinse with clean water. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more unusual and interesting hacks at home. Let's learn together from this channel. Thanks for watching.